man, these worth the hype?
Bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Look at me. I oozing machismo.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today we got a special early look at one of the, if not the most hyped Jordan release of the year. And from the thumbnail and description, you know we're talking about the J Balvin times Jordan 3 Medellin Sunset. Now this pair is set to release tomorrow, September 23rd, officially on Sneakers app. J Balvin just released these early on his website about an hour ago. Good game to you if you were able to cop. And I pray for all of the patience and serenity as you wait for that shipping to come out on October 6th. Now, Nike Sneakers app did exclusive access for it last week, and you already know how Sneakers app treats me.
I ain't selling you nada.
So that was a no-go. And I'm not in particular a fan of my odds when it comes to winning raffles. I mean, I've entered no less than 600 of these trying to get this pair, but I'm not gonna leave it up to chance. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it up to...
Shut up and take my money.
Luckily, the plug came through for the guy for a reasonable price, so I can get them up in the reservoir, and they are now secured at home. Now, J Balvin says that the inspiration for this is the sunset in Medellin. And as we all know, the sunset is exactly what comes to mind when we think of Colombia. To which adds to the power of the theme, in my opinion, the proverbial rose that grew through concrete aspect of life in Medellin. But we're not gonna waste any more of your time. Y'all came here to see the sneakers. Let's go on and get into them. Packaging is exceptional. Magnificent Jordan 3 stylized box with radiant colors going up into J Balvin's smiley face logo representing the sun. Elephant print on the bottom half of the box is embossed, which is a dope touch. And you have this message on the box. Uno trata de ser de Medellin, siempre me recuerda que viene nuevo día lleno de oportunidades. Which is also translated in English right below it. A sunset in Medellin always reminds me of a new day full of opportunity is coming, with J Balvin's signature and his smiley face logo right there. Air Jordan 3 Retro SP, official colorway, multicolor, multicolor, multicolor.
Bueller.
Some more gradient wrapping paper with the same message. Whew. And here you have them, the J Balvin Air Jordan 3. First impressions about the box.
Fire.
Y'all, yeah, they are absolutely 1000% board approved. Let's get into it. We got tumbled leather all throughout the upper. High stays with a rough suede like nubuck, also around the ankle collar. Gold on the Jumpman logo to accent the gold that's on the outside of the stitching. Really light elephant print accents the milky white translucent bottom. And of course the eye catcher is this gradient back tab representing like a sunset that goes all the way around. Reminds me of the K54 a little bit. Same gradient pattern on the back tab with Nike Air on the left foot. J Balvin's logo with the smiley face and lightning bolt eyes on the right. And in my opinion, every collab needs to come with a hang tag. Insoles have that same sunset pattern. That's pretty dope. Ugh. Drip forecast for these.
I am Aquaman.
I mean, this is like living in a water world right here, man. You have no choice. White t-shirt, purple t-shirt, gold t-shirt. You can wear something simple. These things gonna make you look absolutely fly. There's still chances out there through raffles and Sneakers app release tomorrow. And I tell you what, if I end up hitting any one of those, I'm gonna give a pair away to one of my subscribers. And let me keep it 1000 with you. It's not gonna be the size of your choice. It's gonna be a size 12 because that's what I wear. At least I'm not lying to you like the rest of these dudes out here. There it is, quick in, quick out. Become a friend of mine by liking the video. Leave a comment down in the description below what you think about the sneakers, what you think about your week so far. If you had any minor wins, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. Let the Milestone Mafia celebrate y'all. We love to do that around here. Y'all, if you want to become a friend of mine, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every time the Milestone Mafia is back in the building. Listen, y'all, I'm out here with you know what I'm saying, 4 different pieces of content this week, man. I'm out here busy, man. Watch out, man. I feel like a real life YouTuber on y'all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, other than that, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I want y'all to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes. And I'm out. Peace.
You can stay, but I'm leaving.
And yeah, I'm still trying to get used to this lighting situation here in the reservoir. I know 1000% that I did not do a good job of these in hands. So what we gonna do is take a closer look. Let me know what y'all think. See y'all on the next one.